Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find recruiters inside LinkedIn. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to head on over to LinkedIn on my laptop. I'm going to make sure to log in and then I'm going to go to jobs. So now from here you can search for the job place where you'd like to work at. So if for this demonstration, if I want to look at L'Oreal, I'm going to type in L'Oreal. And now once I've done that, I'm going to click onto their company, L'Oreal. That's them there. So now to find a recruiter for this company, what you need to do, this works for any company by the way, click onto People's tab here under Follow View Website. So it'll be Home, About, Post, Jobs, Life and People. Click into People. And this is a pretty big company. As you can see, it's got 80,000 association members. So this is going to be quite easy to find a recruiter or some sort here. So I'm just going to type in recruiter here. And now this is going to search for people who work inside for L'Oreal, all the recruiters. So now there's quite a few people here. As you can see, Kerry is a talent acquisition partner at L'Oreal. In other words, that is recruiter. So there's so many recruiters here I could speak to and search for. So you can just scroll down the list. This works for a lot of different companies. If you can't find any recruiters or talent acquisition partners or people, what you can do is find a HR person and then ask them who their recruiter is for that company as well. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. How to find recruiters inside LinkedIn.